here at the Not So Scary Halloween party, Adventurers, and we're about to go through the first part of it, which would be right over there.
Yeah, when you come into the park, there's going to be one entrance that you go through. You scan your magic band. They're going to give you your wristband. And then when you come through, you're going to go through a side entrance. You're going to pick up your bag for trick-or-treating, a candy bag. And then they have like little spots where you can take pictures and stuff too. And merchandise out. We'll show you though. So come on, let's go.
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, we're going trick-or-treating.
Oh, follow the signs.
The party begins here, guys. Let's go. Here is our first trick-or-treating spot that we're going to. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween. Alright, let's see what's happening here. Wow! Look at that! Mystery!
Happy Halloween from Mars Wrigley. Huh.
So if you can see there, Donald carved a little pumpkin of Daisy Duck, sorry. And if you can see over there, Pluto carved a bone. That's Pluto that carved a pumpkin with a little bone on it. Musketeer Pluto. That's cool, guys.
We have over here Princess Minnie. She's got a nice carved pumpkin there. And over here we have Jester Goofy. They're doing a little bit of a stunt show for us. Standing on his one hand. That background noise is the blowers for this beautiful gate right here. M&M's. Happy Halloween.
Gonna get our bags. Thank you. Happy Halloween. And then they have teal bags for allergies, and then you'll get tokens, and then you're able to get allergy friendly treats for the Not So Scary Halloween. Let's see, what's the bag look like? It's got the Maleficent, and turn it around. Oh, Frozen. Those are the tokens right there for the allergy friendly stuff. Thank you. M&M's. Oh, I love it. We need to get in line for this one. That's so cute. Let's do this. Let's get in line. We're gonna get our picture taken again. Did you get your treat?
Yeah.
First of the night.
Well, we get them for free.
Nice. It's a bag of treats.
Let's kill it now.
Very cool. No, put that away right now. Put it away. Not allowed.
My precious.
And there is the one thing that I love to see every time I come here, and it is the Cinderella Castle. It's beautiful. The thing is huge too, compared to the one in Disneyland. Not So Scary Halloween. Oh, put them over there.
Yeah. That one, no pirates, I can't steal them.
We don't want no stinking pirates around here. We have the new shirts for the Not So Scary Halloween. And they are gorgeous. All sorts of things you can get here. Jack Skellington glow necklace. A trick-or-treat bag. And a vest. Which that vest is pretty cool, but a little pricey. More stuff over here. We got my little girl looking all hot and flustered. but it is hot. Looks like we got some glow ears, nice thermos, kids shirts, pins. Cool. Hey, they really going out. Oh, and of course you got Oogie Boogie. So if you're doing the not so scary Halloween party, you look for these pylons for trick-or-treating. They, you find one of these, you're able to get tricks and treats. Well, at least treats. I don't know about tricks, but definitely treats.
Alright, so party's just about ready to start. We're gonna head over to Frontierland and we're gonna start there and trick-or-treat and have a good time. So the crowds are starting to fizzle out because the park is no longer open to guests, just for those that are in the not so scary Halloween party. And
special ticket or special wristbands.
Special wristbands. Yep, and that's how they know that you're part of the party. So can't wait to show you all what we do. Alright, so we're heading into Frontierland. This is the first stop that we're doing on Mickey's Not So Scary. Moana's in here. The Pirates of the Caribbean have some interactive pirates and trick-or-treating and a couple other different character meet and greets. I just don't know. I think Jack Sparrow might be one. So we'll see. So here is the map. This is what's going on. It tells you where the treat trails are, where the character meet and greets are, the exclusive events, the entertainment. Each of the lands has different things going on. And then on the map itself, it shows all the spots. And the party officially starts at 7 o'clock. Turn it over, let's see the other side. And then you have your treats. And we're gonna try a couple of them. I think we're gonna try the milkshake, right?
Probably not.
Definitely the milkshake.
Uh-huh.
It's the ball with Woody sitting on top.
And there's the cover. And there's some of the merch. And then it also explains what each one of those little icons are on the map. And then again, there's the allergy-friendly center for anyone with allergies.
Yeah, Jungle Cruise is shut down for the evening. This is actually the least amount of people I've ever seen here.
All right, here we go. We're gonna trick or treat. Gonna trick or treat. Go on down, honey. Go down this way. Come on, let's go down here. Trick or treat. Look at all of that candy. Woo-hoo-hoo, look at that.
So we're going on the special Pirates of the Caribbean, and well, I guess we're doing, what's the theme for this one? Because last year was Gunpowder Pete.
I don't know what it is this year.
Well, we're gonna find out.
We'll find out.
So here we go. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Yo ho, pirate's life for me.
Oh, she called me Scallywag.
If you find the treasure, remember it's mine. Finders keepers means it's mine.
I'll give you the treasure.
Thank you so much.
Can we split it evenly?
Evenly, yes. 90-10.
I'll go with that.
Have so much fun finding the treasure.
Well, no, still kinda king. We're still kinda kings of the boat. We're in the front. Arr, arr. There it is.
First Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween of the season, and we're doing 2. Not 1, but 2. And you know what's missing? This little
Yeah, they took it out.
scene.
I think that's new. I don't remember that being there. I could be.
We were more looking at the fog.
It's actually seeing pretty good. I'm impressed with this camera. What are we doing for our pose? We're about to get the camera on us, so I'm gonna shut down for a minute.
Come on, focus.
Come on, baby. There you go.
Turn up your white flag, you scurvy scum. Don't be cheated. I am no cheater. I will not Fight the mother aloft, lady. We're coming down
Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock. And that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow.
Start the second part. Hey, wait a minute. Hold on a second. Ahoy there! Hold on, I think they might all be dead. Ahoy! Ahoy! Quite alive, they are.
Now, if they were dead, it would be easier to take the boat.
That's true.
But now they're alive, we can't take their boat.
Yeah, you're right. Well,
Can we
let's
just
keep
have your boat?
Okay. Damn, wash those feet.
You know what Jack Sparrow's parrot is called in the throne room that he's in? I think he says it's made.
and its many shiny rule. As a career will be more loyal, trigger up the I humbly accept this meeting.
And that was the special Halloween Pirates of the Caribbean.
Tell the world
Going up to
you set sail with Blackbeard.
the gift shop now. And on to the next ride.
And at the end of the ride, you get
Happy Halloween.
gold coins. Treasure. Trick or treat. The cool thing about Not So Scary Halloween is it doesn't matter what age you are. You can trick or treat and get candy.
Boo to you!
Boo to you. But come on. I'm saying, you don't have to be a kid to go trick or treating. No. So we're trick or treating, and we're getting candy.
Well, adventurers, that's it for this one. We still have more to come, so keep your eyes open. And if you like what you saw, leave a comment. Well, we did our part. Now it's time to do yours. Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye, adventurers.